If you need to change the belt, the easiest part is to pull your spring out. Now there's no more tension on that belt. If you need a new belt, is a 6PG584. Start with this end here. There's a groove cut out so that the belt can go in. You can also test to make sure that there's no noise coming out of your auger by just spinning it like this. Now you can hear the bearing, and well, we don't hear nothing because the bearings are fine, but you would hear it clicking or any noise like that, or it would have some resistance and it would be hard to turn. Same with this wheel here. Make sure it spins good. Make sure there's not too much play into it. It's normal to have a little bit. And then this part here, this is the pulley for your motor. Shouldn't have any play in this. So in order to put the belt back in, you're going to want to go through that groove first. You might have to hold it in an angle like this, so you can fit it underneath. Put it underneath your tensioner. And I find that the best way is to pinch the belt together like this. That stays. You want to make sure that it stays against the last groove. Move your tensioner out of the way and just fit it on top here. And now, as long as it's on the back of the lip of the tensioner here, we're good to go and put our spring back on. Make sure you rotate it by hand after you do this, just to make sure that if something is not quite right, you can see if the belt is going to want to move in or out, or past the tensioner or past the pulley, and then you can do some adjustment.